Hello my friends, I hope you are well and full of energy. I am Mahdi and I want to talk about addressing on the web in order to fully master it. We have two types of addressing in web pages, relative and absolute. Let's learn relative addressing together. Suppose this is a folder in which we put the website files and folders. Inside this folder we have two files, home.html and contact.html. We have a menu like this, one of which is linked to the contact HTML and other is linked to the homepage.html. Now we want to give a link to the contact page from the home page contact page. How do we address it? How do we link from home to contact? Let's see that these two files are both in the same path and folder. So the addressing is related to the source and destination. If they are next to each other, we just write the name of the file, that file along with its extension. For example, if we want to give a link from the home page to contact, we just need to write the a tag, href, and inside it contact.html because two files are next to each other. Now if we want to link from the contact page to home page, we only need to open the a tag, href, and inside the double quotation home.html because both files are together and next to each other. Now let's examine another example together. Suppose we link to this photo from the home page. Look, this is the main folder of our site, inside which there is a folder called images and a file called home. That inside the images folder there is a picture called logo.png. We are now inside the home codes and we want to find the address of picture. We are here. So we have to enter this folder first, then I will say the name of the file. The home file and the images are next to each other. So we write the name of the folder, then put a slash sign. So we write the image tag, put the address in the src. Then we write the name of images folder, and after the folder name we put the slash sign. That means we have now entered the images folder. And now I write the name of the photo along with its extension. Logo.png. In this way we could use the photo in the images folder in the home file. So when we want to enter a folder, we first write the name of the folder and the slash. Now let's give a more complicated example. For example, we are going to enter two folders. We want to go to logo.png file from the home page. Where is this logo file? As you see that we have a web folder inside which we have an images folder and home.html file, and in images folder we have icon folder which contains an image named logo.png. We are now in home.html. I said that relative addressing is related to the folders. So first we need to enter the images folder. We write the name of the folder and the slash sign. Now we enter the images folder and then we need to enter the icon folder. So we write icon and slash again, and the name of the image along with its extension. We write it as follows. Go to images folder, then go to icon folder, and then select the logo file. Now there are times when we need to go back. What does that mean? I will explain. This is the main folder of the site, inside which we have a folder called 1, and next to it there is a file called home.html. Inside folder 1, we have file called contact.html. Now let's assume that we are inside contact code and we want to link from contact to home. Which folder is the contact file in? In folder 1. So we have to go back once. Press the back to enter the main folder. For backing we use 2 dots and a slash, which means we went back one folder. That is, we move from folder 1 to the main folder of the project. Now we enter the home file, so we write 2 dots and a slash and a folder. I go back and enter the home file. Let me give another example. Suppose we are inside the encoder file and we want to give a link to home.html. Now I need to see how this page is positioned related to the home file. That is why we say relative addressing, because it's measured related to the origin and destination. What should we do to go home from this encoder file? This file is inside the icon folder. We need to go back to the images folder, and if we don't know, we will go back to our main folder and then we'll enter the home file. So we have to go back twice and go back. That is, we write double dots slash, which in we were in the icon folder, and we go back to the images folder. And after once more 2 slashes, we go back and reach the main folder. Now we say go into the home file. That is, our address is written like this. Now if we wanna go back one folder, we write 2 dots slash. Now if we wanna go back 10 folders, we write this 2 dots slash 10 times to reach our main destination. I use these addresses a lot inside our website. For example, when we wanna have a video, we have to write the address of that video on the pages. Or if we wanna use images or link from our site to another page, we use relative addressing. As simple as I said, practice in VS Code. Also create nested folders and link them together to fully master this subject. This was relative addressing. That is, we used to link to the files inside our website. We interacted with our website pages. Now we may wanna give a link to another site in one of our pages. We are going to enter VS Code. For example, on my website, I wanna give a link to the Google website. So I enter the body element and write the A tag. I write the complete Google website address. www. Between open A tag and closing A tag, I write the desired text. I want to write the Google website. If I click it, I enter the Google website. Now I create another link and write BR tag. I want to link to W3 school website. So I write the complete address of the website. And between two tags, I write the context, for example, W3 school website. When I click it, I will enter the W3 school website. I click on this, I enter the website. Now this is the absolute addressing where we write the full address of a page and it has nothing to do with our website structure. Let me say the last thing and I finish this session. We will write an open and closing A tag between which we must put text. We can put an image between them. We insert the space and use the image tag in the middle. So we write the image tag instead of the text. This way we can have an image that will be taken to the desired page when we click on it. Look, we are in folder 11. Then we want to go back in folder 10 and open the image folder and photo of technology. We are in folder 11. How can we get to the photo? We have to go back with 2 points and a slash. That is suggested which folder you want to be in. Select folder 10 and also select image folder and technology.jpg. Look, the photo is here. Photo is displayed. Now let me give it height and width 100 pixel and now you can see the photo. Now we write the desired destination so that if the picture is clicked, it will enter the site. So we can link to the images that when we click on it, we will be transferred to the desired destination. We write the A tag and use the image tag instead of the text. I give it the href https www.w3school.com and when I click on it, I will transfer to the w3school.com. Okay, look here. We write the A tag and use the image tag instead of the text. I hope you have learned this topic easily. My dear friends, practice this topic several times in VS Code. And until the next session, bye bye.